Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. And from a trading perspective, a very interesting setup going into Friday. And to set up some context here, it going sideways here, it being the price, very, very good sign. Now, I realize you could say, what are you talking about? Going sideways is a good sign. Isn't that setting the bar kind of low? And yeah, it is actually setting the bar kind of low. But again, context matters. And what was just occurring? Well, not only was there a gap down, but after the gap down, this thing just got absolutely hammered into the ground. So to see it at least finally start to go sideways, now don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because it's been hammered into the ground and now going sideways does not mean that for sure the price is going to bounce from here. But would it be shocking to see it bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. And this is all a rational conversation to be having now. Case in point, if all the price was still doing right now is just going down, 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 and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom, you'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Why would you say this is the bottom? All it's been doing is going straight down. But that's not the case here, right? It's at least gone sideways, so it's at least a rational conversation to have on whether or not, this could potentially be a bottom with a nice little bounce. So if this is the bottom, then nothing fancy here. Right here around $11 needs to hold for the very straightforward reason of, well, that's essentially where the price stopped bleeding today. Now, granted, I get it. The price did slightly go below it there, but from the overall kind of general perspective, right there, $11 is where the bears could no longer make any progress. And then from that point, the price did go sideways. So in the event this is a bottom and the price is going to at least start to, if anything, do a dead cat bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, just right up there where the bounce stopped today a couple different times, right up around $11.30. If the price can get up through $11.30, the next level after that, not up until right around the $11.55 mark. And then from more so an overarching perspective, so not relevant right now, but that will become more and more relevant, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving, so that line will move itself downwards. But yeah, as of right now, these first couple areas of resistance need to first be broken. But an interesting beatdown, the price is showing some sideways price movement, so we'll see if this is a leading indicator or not of some sort of bounce to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.